Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the lesson Gatha Gajanandan Ki. It's taken from grade 8 textbook Garima and it's written by Vishnu Prabhakar. It's a beautiful story which tells us how we can convert our weaknesses into our strengths, and instead of concentrating on weaknesses and becoming a subject of ridicule for others, we could become a source of inspiration for them. I think all children, all parents should definitely go through the story. आप जानते ही हैं, किसी की शारीरिक बनावट का उपहास करना अनुचित होता है. You all know that to make fun or to ridicule someone's body shape is inappropriate. I'll be first telling you the meaning of the sentences and then specific difficult words. Sharirik banawat means body shape. Upahas means ridicule. Anuchit means inappropriate. मोटापा कई मामलों में घातक है तो कई मामलों में सहायक भी होता है. Motapa means obesity. In certain cases, it is fatal, whereas in certain situations or cases, it may also become helpful. Ghatak means fatal. Mamle means situations or cases. Sahayak means helpful. दूसरों पर तो कोई भी हंस देता है. सबसे कठिन होता है स्वयं पर हंसना. Anybody can laugh at others, but the most difficult thing is to laugh at yourself. स्वयं means yourself. हंसना means to laugh. अपनी कमजोरियां स्वयं स्वीकार कर लेने से कई बार अटपटी स्थिति में गिरने से बचा जा सकता है. If we accept our weaknesses, it can save us from awkward situations many times. Now we are going to enter the lesson and I'm going to describe the lesson. यह पाठ हमारा परिचय एक ऐसे किशोर से करवाता है जिसने अपनी कमजोरियों पर विजय पा ली है. This lesson introduces us to a boy who has overcome his weaknesses. परिचय means introduction. Kishore means boy. Kamzoriyon par means on his weaknesses. Vijay pali hai means he has overcome, won over them. जिसने अपनी कमियों को ही अपनी खूबियों में बदल लिया है. He has converted his weaknesses into his strengths or rather good qualities. कमियां means weaknesses, खूबियां means strengths. जो अपनी वास्तविकता को कुछ इस तरह स्वीकार करता है कि औरों के उपहास की जगह उनकी प्रेरणा का स्रोत बन जाता है. He has accepted his reality in such a way that instead of becoming a subject of ridicule for others, he has become a source of inspiration to them. Prerna means inspiration, स्रोत means source. यह कहानी तब की है जब गजनंदन लाल 16 वर्ष के थे. This story is of that time when this boy called Gajanandan, he was 16 years old. 16 means 16, वर्ष means years. यथा नाम तथा गुण यानी गोल मटोल हाथी के बच्चे थे. यथा नाम तथा गुण means in the name itself lied his qualities. Gaj actually means elephant and Nandan means son. So he was like a baby elephant. Gol matol means roly-poly, roundish. Hathi ke bacche the. He was a baby elephant. How do you find a baby elephant? It has very small eyes, big ears, fat hands and legs. Just like that, even Gajnandan looked like that. Choti choti aankhein, small eyes, bade bade kaan, big ears, mote mote haath pair, thick or fat hands and legs. चलते वैसे ही झूम झूम कर. The way a baby elephant walks naughtily, swinging or swaying here and there, same way Gajnandan also used to walk like that. बातें भी वैसी ही बुद्धिमानी की करते. Elephants are considered to be very, very intelligent. Even Gajnandan, he would always talk intelligent things. और स्वभाव से इतने हंसमुख कि रोतों को हंसा देते. And he was so jovial by nature that even people, suppose someone is crying, he would laugh. झूम झूमकर means swaying or swinging. बुद्धिमानी means intelligent. हंसमुख, jovial. उन्हें एक दिन पता लगा कि स्कूल के लड़कों की एक टोली गोमुख की सैर करने जा रही है. One day he came to know that a group of boys from the school is going to Gomukh journey. Toli means group. Gomukh is the name of a place. Here, Gomukh refers to a cave which has got built in a snow-clad mountain. On its own, it has got built. So they were going on a journey to Gomukh. गोमुख से गंगा जी निकलती हैं. This is the place from where river Ganges originates. It starts. वह गंगोत्री से भी 21 किलोमीटर आगे है. It is 21 kilometers farther from Gangotri. Gangotri is a place where 3 major rivers come and merge together. बस गजनंदन तुरंत प्रिंसिपल के पास हाजिर हो गए. Immediately, Gajnandan presented himself before the principal. Hazir means presented. Bole, sir, मैं भी जाऊंगा. He said, sir, I will also go. Principal बोले, तुम पहाड़ पर चढ़ोगे? The principal was surprised because he used to think that he's so obese he will not be able to climb the mountain. So he said, will you climb the mountain? Pahad means mountain, चढ़ोगे means climb. तुमसे तो अपना शरीर ही नहीं संभलता. You cannot even take care or handle your body. How will you climb the mountain? That is what the principal meant. संभलता means you cannot handle. गजनंदन ने मुस्कुराते हुए जवाब दिया, Sir, शरीर अपनी फिक्र आप करेगा. Gajnandan smiled and answered, Sir, the body will take care of itself. मुस्कुराते हुए means smiling. जवाब दिया means answered. अपनी फिक्र आप करेगा means it will take care of itself. हमें तो देखना यह है कि मेरे जाने से लाभ कितने होंगे. We have to see that if I accompany them, what all are the benefits. लाभ means benefits. Principal अचरज से हंसे. Principal laughed in surprise. अचरज means surprise. पूछा, क्या क्या लाभ होंगे बताओ तो जरा. Okay, tell me what all benefits will be there if you accompany the children in the journey. तुम तो 5 आदमियों का राशन डकार जाओगे. You will gobble up 5 people's ration. Here, ration means food which is, quantity of food which is decided for each and every person. When you go for mountaineering and all, what happens is that you cannot eat as much as you want. There'll be a fixed amount. That is known as ration. It is a slang usage, Dakar jaoge. It generally should not be used, but he actually means to say that you will eat up 5 people's food. Gajnandan ne bina hichke jawab diya. Gajnandan answered without hesitation. Hichke means without hesitation. मुझे सर्दी भी तो कम लगेगी. I will even feel lesser cold. ठंडी हवा को मेरी हड्डियों तक जाने का रास्ता कहाँ मिलेगा? How will this cold wind get a way to reach my bones? हड्डियां means bones. ठंडी हवा means cold wind. इसलिए मैं सदा चुस्त रहूंगा. That is why I will always be active. सदा means always, चुस्त means active. जब मेरे साथी थक जाएंगे, हिम्मत हार बैठेंगे, तब मैं उन्हें हंसा हंसाकर फिर से तरोताजा कर दूंगा. When my friends become tired, when they lose hope, I will make them laugh and refresh them once again. थक जाएंगे means they become tired. हिम्मत हार बैठेंगे means they will lose hope. This is a muhavra which can come for your exam also. Himmat har baithna means आशा खो देना, to lose hope. तरो ताजा कर दूंगा means I will refresh them once again. मुझे देखकर उनकी हिम्मत लौट आएगी. Looking at me, their hopes will come back because I will be that active. That is what Gajnandan told the principal. Gajnandan continues telling the benefits to the principal. He says, मान लीजिए, हमें कहीं रस्सा बांधने की जरूरत हुई और वहां चट्टान ना हुई तो मेरे शरीर से यह काम बेखटके लिया जा सकता है. He tells the principals, suppose as they are going for mountaineering, there are certain places where they have to tie ropes and holding the rope they have to climb up. So he tells the principal, suppose somewhere a rope has to be tied, and in case there is no rock there, my body can be used as a rock without hesitation. What he means to say is that because his size is like a rock, he can be used as a rock. मैं अपने पैर बर्फ में गाड़ लूंगा. I will dig my legs into the ice so I will not shake. People can hold and come up. This he is saying just to make the situation light and make others laugh. मान लीजिए means suppose. रस्सी और रस्सा means rope. बांधने की जरूरत हुई means if there is a need to tie a rope. चट्टान rock. बेखटके without hesitation. बर्फ आइस और स्नो गाड़ लूंगा. I will dig. यह सुनना था कि प्रिंसिपल ठहाका मार हंस पड़े. The moment principal heard this, he laughed out loudly. ठहाका मार हंस पड़े means laughed out loudly. गजनंदन भी खूब हंसे, इतने कि तोंद हिलने लगी. Even Gajnandan laughed a lot, so much that his belly started shaking. Tond means belly, hilne lagi means started shaking. It's because he had a big belly. जरा शांति हुई तो बड़ी नम्रता से निवेदन किया, सर एक लाभ मेरा भी होगा. मेरा वजन कुछ कम हो जाएगा. When they all became quiet, very softly he requested, sir, even I will have a benefit. My weight will reduce at least to some extent. Namrata means softly, nivedan kiya means requested, वजन means weight. हाँ हाँ, यह तो हमने सोचा ही नहीं था, प्रिंसिपल बोले. तुम अवश्य जाओ. Yes, yes, this I had not even thought. Principal said, you definitely go and accompany them in the journey. अवश्य जाओ means you should definitely go. और इस प्रकार गजनंदन की पहाड़ पर चढ़ने की कहानी शुरू हुई. And this way, the story of Gajnandan climbing the mountain started. पहाड़ means mountain. चढ़ने की कहानी means story of climbing. शुरू हुई means started. तैयारी पर तैयारी होने लगी. All kinds of preparations started taking place. तैयारी पर तैयारी means preparations. वह हो चुकी तो मंजिल दर मंजिल रेल, बस, जीप द्वारा यात्रा करते करते 7 लड़के, एक मास्टर जी और 2 सेवक एक दिन सांझ पड़े गंगोत्री में प्रकट हो गए. When the preparations were done, then destination by destination, that is, they had to travel by different modes of transport. They traveled by train, bus and jeep. And how many people traveled? Total 10 people were there. Who all were there? There were 7 students. 7 ladke means 7 students, 1 teacher and 2 servants or 2 helpers. एक दिन सांझ पड़े means evening. In the evening, they reached or they appeared in Gangotri. Gomukh is 21 kilometers away from Gangotri. So children, you could be asked the question like how many people were there in the journey and who all were there. So you'll have to say 7 लड़के, एक मास्टर जी और 2 सेवक. कुल मिलाकर 10 लोग गंगोत्री यात्रा पर गए. मंजिल दर मंजिल means destination by destination. And Gangotri, I told you, it's a place where 3 major rivers merge. प्रकट हो गए means they appeared. सांझ पड़े means by evening. वहां दूर दूर तक आदमी का पता नहीं था. When they reached Gangotri, all these 10 people, they appeared in Gangotri. They found it very strange because when they looked around, they could not find even a single human being till far away. सब कहीं सन्नाटा छाया था. Everywhere it was complete silence. सन्नाटा means silence. कहाँ दिल्ली की गहमा गहमी, कहाँ यह चुप्पी. These people, they were coming from Delhi, and we all know that Delhi is a place full of activities, full of noise, full of people. But it was a very big contrasting change for them, because at Gangotri, when they reached there, they could not find even a single soul around. It was a complete silence. Gehma Gehmi means full of hustle bustle, and Chuppi means silence. तभी एक स्वामीजी वहां आए. At that time, one Swamiji came there. वे वहीं रहते थे. He used to stay there, और वे ही उन्हें गोमुख ले जाने वाले थे. And he was the one who was going to take them to Gomukh. गजनंदन कूदकर चबूतरे पर आ गए. Gajnandan jumped and came onto the platform. बोले, he said, देखो देखो, यहाँ मेरे कितने साथी पहले से ही मौजूद हैं. Look, look, how many of my friends are already present here? चबूतरा means platform, कूदकर means jumping, मौजूद है means present. साथी विद्यार्थी चकित होकर बोले, तुम्हारे साथी कहाँ हैं वे? His companion students, they became surprised. They wondered how he could have friends at such a place. They said, your friends, where are they? We'll be continuing with part 2 of Gatha Gajanandan Ki in my next video. Thanks for watching Rivora 2. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye-bye.